As you can see from my before pictures, I went through a life-changing transformation, and I like to cook meals for healthy living. I hope that my videos help you achieve your goals too. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. Alright, so I'm just going to get the pudding put together for the recipe. And I'm going to start with putting the milk in here. And just pour it in slow so it doesn't go everywhere. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. That's a really good idea. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my gosh. I would use a mixer. Alright, here we go. Alright, you ready? Oh shoot, this is really... Alright, so we're going to mix this for 2 minutes. And we're only going to mix it until it thickens up, but it's kind of like soft peaks, not stiff peaks. This is probably not going to get stiff like that until we put it in the... And make it all over myself. Oh my god. And once this goes in the fridge, it'll actually thicken up a lot thicker. Shut this off now. Okay, look at that. Okay, so now that this is all ready, I'm just going to scrape the side here and yeah, oh wow, look at that. Nice, huh? It definitely came out. Yes. Alright, so this looks good. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how I layer it. In a glass dish, and we're going to layer it with graham crackers. Alright, so with this dessert, we're going to start with layering some graham crackers on the bottom. So just keep the graham crackers whole and layer them. Usually I would use a bigger dish, but this is what I have, so sorry. Cut! So I'm going to put some pudding in here. We're just going to layer it on top, and then we'll smooth it out. And once I don't know how many layers we're going to do, we're just going to see how many will fit. Sorry, I'm goofy, oh my gosh. So what we'll do is, and after we are done layering all of this, we want to put it in the fridge, and it will get firm in the fridge. And I normally, I'll cover it with some plastic wrap because I don't want to have, I don't like when the pudding gets really hard and like has a crust. I don't like that. I don't know if you guys do, but so we'll just keep layering this. I think you just basically eyeball it. There's no, I don't measure anything. I just kind of put it in there. And so now we're going to do another layer. We're going to keep layering everything as we go up. So now we have graham crackers, and we're going to add more pudding here. And then just smooth it around. And a little bit more. And like I said, don't worry about it, just eyeball it and put it in there, and when you think you have enough, you can do the next layer. Alright, so we're just going to finish scraping all the pudding out, getting it in here. And then just smooth it around. we're gonna do is we're gonna take a piece of plastic wrap. And this is what I was talking about earlier to prevent the pudding getting really thick or getting a crust on it. You just want to kind of push it down around on top of the pudding so there's no air. And it will come off easy later, don't worry, you're not going to pull all the pudding off the top with it. It'll come off. It'll just prevent air getting in here. I would say leave it in the fridge an hour to 2 until it's firm, and then we'll take it out and we're going to do our whipped cream and our sprinkles on top. See you soon. Thank you for watching my show, and please subscribe to me here on YouTube. Also follow me on Instagram at DiAnna Official. All my links will be listed below. Have a great day.